Look how much snow there is.
이만큼씩.
Wow.
와.
Thank you. We are not going to a cat cafe. We are not going to a we are not going to a dog cafe. We're going to a bird cafe. I have no idea how it's gonna be because I never been to a bird cafe. You been?
아니?
Okay, it's our first time. And first time in a bird cafe. No idea how it's gonna be, but let's see. But first we're gonna grab lunch. Japanese food. Ice fell down. Oh my god.
무서워.
That's scary.
이거
Ice just fell down. Anyway, we're gonna grab lunch now. And then we're gonna go to the bird cafe. Bird cafe? It's, I guess, yeah, that's what it's called. Oh, I have no idea how it's gonna be there. Let's see. Oh man! Ah, hiju! Look at me. Stop! I don't have gloves! Ah! I don't have gloves. This is unfair. It's supposed to be a date. Oh, you hit the camera. Wow, nice soup. Let's have a delicious lunch. Japanese food. Look how cold it is. Dunkin' Donuts. Wow. Can you take it? Wow. Can I see? Wow, it's like a weapon. Pew pew. Pew. Yes, me too. Hello.
여기를 이렇게 하면은 여기 만져보는 거 좋아해요. 겨드랑이 하지. 좋아해요. 날개 만지는 거 좋아하고 그냥 얼굴 이런 데 만지는 건 싫어한대요. 이렇게 이런 데 만지는 거.
Hello. 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 I think he wants to speak. Why is he following me? Hello? Hello? Wow, he do. That's so cool. Yeah, oh my god, is it biting me? Ah.
아니야.
Okay.
놀고 있어. Play.
다행이다. Can you,
Keep it.
I have a bird. Now repeat everything I say. I love hiju.
얘는 못 따라해.
私は
해볼까? 안녕. 이리 올래? 손 줄래? 이게 뭐 하는 거지?
Is it playing? Can you touch it? It's okay to touch, right?
어.
Oh yeah, I'm touching it. Oh yeah. What are you doing with my clothes?
네.
Here, take everything. Take it.
야, 이거 봐.
He wants to eat the camera. Ah, my hair. Oh, my hair. Oh no. No, my camera. No. No, don't do it. No, 하지마. No, my camera. We like to play. I really have to take care of the camera before something happens to the camera. He already bit the camera. He's biting everything. Hiju. Can we put him back? He's getting annoying. He always wants to bite my camera. Put him back. Where does he come from? Where does he come from? Yeah. 먹어. Cute. He bit my camera, Hiju. 어, 여기.
옆쪽에 있는 애들은 만지면 안 돼요. 옆쪽에 있는 애들은.
어디?
옆쪽 근처에 있는 애들은 만지면 안 돼요.
Yeah, that's how you feed them. 이거는 it's nothing. It's just I don't know, the inside. I think we have to buy more food. What are you doing here? Go away. I don't want you. You're annoying. Go away. Take off my jacket. Go.
One more.
What? No, you're not coming. You're not coming. No. Go away. I don't want you guys. Stop biting. Go away. Go away. Help. Go away. No, 진짜. Go away.
One more.
Go away. No. Go away. Oh no, he also bites. Go. Go. 왜 안 가?
So cute.
Go. No. Go away. No. Help.
그냥 입어. Just
I don't want
take
to.
them. 어이구. 이리 와. 밥 먹어. 밥 먹어. 아니 밥 먹어. 밥 먹으라고 오지 말고 저기 excuse me.
Excuse me.
오이.
Okay. Now, come here, my friend. That was cool. Did you saw that? Me too. Okay. I'm scared if it poops into my face. Luckily, it didn't happen. You want this? Don't kill me. Oh. Yeah, come on, do it. 이제 해봐. Yeah. That's so cool. Come on. Oh, so cute. He's cute. So cute how you do it. Oh wow. Hello, have a good day. I love you. Say 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 이거 봐. 오, you want this? You say thank you in his language.
아니 일어나.
Oh, yeah, he likes me.
와 대박.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. watashi wa that's Japanese. Are you filming? No? No. We have a connection.
와 드디어.
He said it.
안녕하세요. 근데 왜 소리를 지르는 거야?
사랑해. 잘 사랑해. 사랑해. No? Sit down. He's a man. Male.
But he likes men.
Okay. Oh, what is he doing? Go back home. You wanna go back home? You're heavy. Ah, ow! Ah! Ah, Papa. Oh!
괜찮아?
Scheiße. Ah, why you have to bit me?
왜 물었어?
First time in my life I see this video.
나도 처음이야.
Whoa, that's how it feels like. Wow. Oh, so cute, like a baby.
어딨어?
That's right, where's the eyes? Whoa. 이거, 오.
쫙 펴서 주시면 돼.
와.
너무 잘 먹는데? 여기 온다.
오, 아주.
여기 또 온다.
Why are you coming? 와. 와.
근데 여기 아까 보니까 새 중에 머리에 털이 어떤 애가 있던데. 네, 왕가시. 네.
First time in my life.
노랗고 약간 빨간 물터치가 아니면 무전상 머리가. 아 진짜요? 네. 스트레스를 많이 받으면 태어날 때부터.
Oh, now I can see your eyes. Wow. That's so cool, Hiju. Okay, this was the bird coffee shop, but there was also a skunk.
skunk.
So, kind of confused what kind of coffee shop this is. But it was so much fun. Now we're gonna eat dinner and then go home. Successful day.